Hi lovelies, welcome to my happy place with Dorcas. On today's episode of my happy place, we will be making butter bread and cinnamon rolls. As you watch the video, I would love to briefly talk about the manifestations of the sons and daughters of God. It is no news that the time that we live in right now is filled with so much chaos. We hear about stories of murders in the street, lawlessness everywhere, wars and rumors of wars, nation rising against nations, people rising against people, parents rising against children, and children rising against parents. There is so much darkness in the world that we live in right now. And in all that is going on in the world today, this is the time for the sons and daughters of God, the children of light, to be revealed. This is the time we are meant to create our path and not follow the ways of the world. The time to walk boldly on the path of righteousness and holiness so that unbelievers can be saved through us. The scriptures in Romans chapter 8 verse 19 says, "For the earnest expectations of the creature waited for the manifestations of the sons of God." Another translation says, "For the creation awaits with eager longing for the revealing of the sons of God." Manifestation means to appear, to come, to lighten, to reveal. Non-believers, those that have yet to commit to God, are longing for the children of God to make themselves known. We carry the divine solution. We carry heavenly innovation and the mind of Christ with us. Creation is aware of who we are and what we carry on the inside and is earnestly, eagerly anticipating for our manifestation. Let's not keep the world waiting any longer. As long as we delay, the world will continue to be shrouded in darkness. It is okay to manifest and reveal yourself as a child of God. It is okay to reveal your alignment to the kingdom of God. It is okay to live your faith even at your workplace. It is okay to stand firm and stand boldly with God and not be on the gray line. We have procrastinated for too long, and honestly, there is no much time. Child of God, manifest. Child of God, be who God says you are. Creation is waiting on you. Thank you, and have an amazing new week.